Right after installation of Business 720, you are ready to use it. On your Role Center, a tile with warnings will collect changes in company status during updates and VIES validation issues. When you go to a customer or vendor card, you can update your master data. When a VAT number and a country code is assigned to the company, it is possible to update existing master data on customers and suppliers. You will get an overview of the changes in the master data on an inspection page. You are able to get an overview of the changes before you accept the update of your master data. After validation of a VAT number, you will see a new Business 720 group on the card with industry and business type. The fact box is extended with key figures and a financial chart. When you need to create a new customer or vendor, it is very easy to use Business 720 for searching the correct company and create it. From the intelligent search page, you can choose to search by VAT number or name of the company. You can choose to search for companies in different countries. While typing the company name, you will see the list of companies is changing in real time. It's very easy to create the company as a new customer or vendor. Just click the company and you can choose if it is the correct company to create. When you create the company, you will be able to use a template. After creation, you will get all the company information and insights available inside Business Central.